Supta Vrishchikasana, sleeping scorpion posture. The asana is said to produce a good effect on the thyroid gland. By virtue of this, the whole body derives a wholesome effect. The asana is very useful for the eyes, ears, jaws, throat and teeth. Poisonous waste matter in the body finds an easy way out, and an increased intake of oxygen is possible. Carbon dioxide and other waste products are promptly eliminated from the body. The blood thus becomes highly purified, and this is very beneficial in a variety of skin disorders. No extraordinary effort of force should be used to practice this asana.